Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Mark, and I'm glad you're with me because we will be drawing a girl's anime head. All you need for this project is a sheet of paper, a pencil with an eraser, and an ink pen. So let's start off in the center of our page, and we're going to create a circular shape. So I'm just going to go around and around a couple times, get a nice circular shape here. Then in the center, we're going to divide this circle with a line vertically up and down and another one horizontally right in the middle. So let's do that. Then starting over here on the left, we will come down and then we're going to bend right about, if this is 45 degrees, just above that 45-degree mark, we're going to kind of bend this a little bit. And then we're going to come down into a point. So we're going to have a little bit of a bend right there. Going to come up, and this will kind of point. And we'll do the same thing. This will be the chin. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. So we're going to come over, and then we're going to bend and come up. Just like that. Then I'm going to do two eyes right above this horizontal line here. So about in the middle of that side and the middle of this side, we'll draw two circles. Just going to do one like this and try to get these about the same size. And then we'll draw the eyebrow, and we're going to come up like that. And then it'll be pointy here towards the middle of the face, and then we'll come up and then we'll go over a little flat, and then this will kind of just hook down, and we'll do the same on the other side. Okay, so let's draw the ears now. So we're going to go right where this is here. So above and below this horizontal line, we're going to have the ear. So we're going to have this come out, and we're going to round that. Then we're going to come down, and this is going to be thicker and wider up here. And as you come down, it's going to get shorter, like and narrower there. So we'll do the same on this side. We'll round this like that. We'll come down, and that'll be the ear. Then inside the ear, we can create a little curve like that, and then have another one like this. And we'll do the same on this side, like that. Now go above the eyebrow and almost to the top of the head, right about here, we're going to create a curve like this, and another one on that side. And then we'll do the chin and neck area. So we'll come down to the chin, we'll go over just a little bit, we're going to come down, and then we're going to quickly go to the left. So come down and quickly go to the left, and then we'll do the same on the right. We'll come down and we'll hook this quick over in that direction. Okay, so for the nose, let's go just below this point here. We're going to go just below that, and we'll just do this little shape like that, little dot halfway between this line and our chin. We're going to kind of split this like that, and then we're going to go right where the eye is. We're going to come down on both sides, and that's where our mouth's going to stop approximately, and we'll just curve this just like that. Okay, then we can start adding some hair shapes, whatever length this is. If you draw the same up there, we're going to just be just under that a bit. Okay, so we're just going to come over, and then we're going to go to the side of the ear like that. So we're going to come up like that, and then this can kind of hook over, and you can do whatever kind of hair you like. And then this will just extend over in this direction. Just where my ear is will come down. And then I'll kind of hook over this way. Like that. Then we'll have a split in her hair, like a part. So we'll come over to this side. And we're going to come towards the eye. Like this. And then we're going to come up. And I'll just do another line like that. And then we're going to have a hair piece that kind of shows up right where this is here. Just going to bring this line up, kind of curve that like this. And then this can extend that piece. Put a few more pieces. So right here where the ear is, I'm going to hide some of that ear with a piece of hair. So I'm going to draw a line through here, and then we're going to come towards the neck like that. Okay, and then we'll put a line right here, another line like that. You can just have a smaller piece that comes off the ear. That. Okay, we can just do another line on this side, and we'll do the same over here. So where that ear is, we'll have a piece of hair coming down, pointing towards the neck, and this will kind of come up, kind of hide that ear, just extend up. Like this. And then on this side here, we're gonna do a part right where that forehead is. Do one over this way, and then we'll have a piece of hair that comes down right where the eye is. Just like this. And then we'll have another piece like that. Okay, now let's go back to the eyes, and I'm just going to add a little dot in the middle of my eye, like that. And then we're going to have this highlight, so I'm going to draw this like kind of like this rectangular curved shape. And then just below my eye at the base, we're just going to kind of have this thicker, and then we'll just do like this little wavy shape like that at the bottom, like that. Then we can add a little brow shape here and there. And if you want to put a bow in the hair or some sort of flower, you can just do a little flower shape that, little shape in the middle. So I'm going to grab my ink pen, and I'm just going to outline my shapes here. Okay, then you can take your eraser and gently erase all of those pencil lines. And then if you have some gray markers, you can go and just add a little bit of gray color to your drawing. Well, there you go. There's our anime head drawing of a girl. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like it, and why not subscribe? That way you can see some of these other videos that I do every weekday right over here. All right, until the next one, I'll see you all then. Bye-bye.